With over 2 decades of providing outstanding service to customers across South Wales, the skilled workforce of Euroblinds Swansea is ready to turn your house into a home. No matter where they're for, no matter what style, what material, what size, or how many you need, Euroblinds Swansea are leaders in the industry and specialise in providing customers with precisely what they need, leaving them nothing less than absolutely delighted. Make it Euroblinds Swansea for vertical blinds, roller blinds, conservatory and panel blinds, Roman blinds, Venetian and wooden blinds, and more. Plus, if you don't want to buy them new, they can also carry out repairs on your existing blinds. With so many colours, so many patterns, so many styles, it's guaranteed that there will be something from Euroblinds to match your requirements and tastes to a T.